In this video, I will show you step by step on how to import from China to Cameroon using Pinduoduo step-by-step tutorial without any stress. So let's get started. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want me to procure link on 1688 Taoba on Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how to import from China to Cameroon using Pinduoduo shopping app step-by-step tutorial. So let's begin. And just like what you see on the screen right here, this person contacted me from my YouTube channel and asking for my procurement service like every other person does. So this person here is from Cameroon, and ordinarily you can import from China to whatever country of your choice. But this example right here has to do with import from China to Cameroon using Pinduoduo. So these are my terms of service for my procurement and shipping business. So if you want me to procure a link also, you have to follow this simple procedure. So after sending links and all that, and then we were able to have their shipping address and do their proper quotation, just like what you see right here. So with that being said, so let's dive into Pinduoduo shopping app and see how we procure all these items for this particular client. So this is my Pinduoduo shopping app. I'm going to click on here straight up. So on getting to the Pinduoduo shopping app, first thing first, you need to add all the items to cart. If you don't know how to add an item to cart on Pinduoduo shopping app, what you need to do is to check the video on my channel. I have a lot of video on how you can add an item to cart step by step on Pinduoduo. After you have successfully add item to your cart, next thing you want to do is to visit your profile by clicking right here. So on getting to your profile, next thing you want to do is to make sure you visit your cart right here. Then it's open up all the items you have in your cart. So let me quickly select the client items. So right here, I will start from the bottom right here. So I'm going to buy this one right here. So I'm going to select it. And I'm going to select this one right here. I'm going to buy this. I'm going to buy this. And I'm going to buy this. I'm going to buy this. And I'm going to buy this. All right. So I'm paying the sum of 226 yuan to purchase all these items. So next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. All right. So from the checkout right here, the shipping address is going to be right here. So one thing about shipping from China to whatever country of your choice, what you need to do in this regard is just your freight forwarding address, the warehouse shipping address. So this simply means that you can eventually ship from China to whatever country of your choice. What you only need in this case is just your freight forwarding shipping address in China. So this is so the next thing right here is to scroll down and see all the items that was able to add to cart. So as you can see right here, see, these are all the items I'm going to purchase. So next thing I'm going to do is to make sure my Alipay is active and it has been checked right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. All right, so I'm paying the sum of 226.49 yuan to purchase all the items. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on confirm to proceed to payment. Then enter my payment password. It's as simple as that. So you can see the payment has been done successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on done right here. So if you click on done, this pop-up right here, what you will need to do right here is to click on this cross right here to close the pop-up. Then we have to go back to our profile. So by the time I refresh my profile, all the item we just purchased is going to be found right here and right here. So let's check it out. So I'm going to click on this form first right here. So we have 12 items there. So let's check it out. So you can see all the items right here has been successfully purchased and it's going to be shipped from China to Cameroon. So let's take a look at the second one right here. These items right here is part of what we just purchased right now. So this is the remaining 2 items that we just purchased. So this is how to purchase, procure, and ship from China to Cameroon or any other country of your choice. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taoba on Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, what you need to do is to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.